Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Beautiful Brown Eyes as recorded by the Brothers 4 that can be found on the UkePlayAlongs channel. What we're going to do in this video is first of all look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming a little bit. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both sister channels. So if you can subscribe to the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. This is another traditional folk song that is sung by some of the ukulele groups in my area. So it is a great song to share with people of all generations so that if you get together and play, you can play songs from everyone's generation. So let's start with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. First, you'll need an A7, then you'll need a D chord. Now, you can play the D chord a number of ways. I usually play it, if I play that A7 first, if I slide up to the second fret, I put my other two fingers around it like it was a tiny G7. But that allows me to put my fingers, which are size large men hands, right in the row. Some people will want to do 1, 2, 3 in a row. Some people want to use 2, 3, 4 in a row. Some people want to use just two fingers and you cover strings 3 and 4 and then string 2. Some people want to just bend one finger, the ring finger, and bend it like that. Whatever works for you to play D, just don't play it with your thumb. A D7, or we call a Hawaiian D7, it doesn't actually have a D in it. The G chord. The E7 chord, which is one of my favorite. First finger goes on the 4th string, 1st fret, and then fingers 2 and 3 on strings 3 and 1 at the 2nd fret. And then an A chord. And those are the chords you need to play Beautiful Brown Eyes on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's look at baritone. All right, on baritone, we're going to start with a bar chord. Take your first finger, put across all 4 strings right at that 2nd fret, right above the metal 2nd fret. Pull against the fretboard. You're pulling against the fretboard like this, not pinching. That'll give you most of the sound you need. Add your thumb for some support. And then add the 2nd finger to the 1st string, 3rd fret. That's your A7 chord. Then you have a D chord, a D7 chord, a G chord, an E7 chord, and an A chord. And those are the chords you need to play Beautiful Brown Eyes on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now, as it comes to strumming, remember that there was no ukulele used in the original version of this song, so there's not one single right answer. However, if you're looking for an answer, that's what this part of the video is about. So as it comes to strumming, there are 3 rules. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo, either by yourself or with a recording. And third, make sure that whatever you're playing matches the style of the music, because there are strumming patterns that don't match a particular style. Now, in this song, I'm going to give you 2 ideas that are very basic to work with. One that I think is actually being used by the string instruments in the song anyway. So I think the one that's being used most of the time is this one where you go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And so in this song, either you're in 3/4 or 6/8. You're either going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either way, you're going to get that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to be swinging a little bit. Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba. So it's going to be a shuffle swing, and then you're going to get down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Now the other thing that you can do, other than just going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, is you could actually pick the down note. So you would want to choose the lowest note that you can play on your instrument. So on a reentrant ukulele, high G, that would be the 3rd string. So you'd pick 3rd string down, up, down, up. And then you could alternate between the 3rd and 4th string. And if you don't get it right, that's okay. Just keep working with it. Now on reentrant ukulele, so I'll change over here to my Koaloha Opio, which has a low G, would also work on baritone. There you do the same thing. 3, 4, 3, 4. And if you missed it, it's okay. So it's going 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up. And that would work really well if you can get your fingers to do that. And so on and so forth. And that would also work really well with baritone as well. All right, so with that strumming and with those chords, that's all you need to do to be successful on Beautiful, Beautiful Brown Eyes as performed by the Brothers 4. Thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.